Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 GMC Sierra 3500. Stock number is 18C334A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, looking at the tread on the tires, running boards on the side, inside. Leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch as well as rear backup sensors on the back here. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have dual heated seats, and the driver's side has 2-point memory controls. 4-wheel drive, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls are here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. And your dual climate controls are here. Up top, you have a sunroof. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.